€1 to climb this tower. Very narrow here, so I have to be careful. Because this is where you've got to crouch. Ooh. See what I mean? Yeah. You have to crouch. Let's go. At least you've got this rail here. One of the steps. A bit like the one in Coachella and also Perast. Very narrow pits. There's the bell. Ooh. Wow. There's a pigeon up here. Move bed. Move bed.
There you go.
Good.
Thank you.
Sorry. Pigeon. What are you doing sitting there? Pigeon. Oh, there we go. At the top of the bell tower in Perast. Phew. Three bells. More steps there, look. 4 to the top. It's probably where Susan Calman stayed, actually up there somewhere. In one of these apartments. In a Cruising with Susan Calman programme. Because she was behind this bell tower in one of the episodes in the house, and it was overlooking this bell tower because there was a swimming pool. It could even be there, actually. There's a swimming pool there, but it's been drained. It could be there, but I know it was up the back of here somewhere where she was staying. Could even have been over there, or even that house. It was at the back anyway. Wow, what a view. Mm.